My name is Gabrial Onah. I come from Nigeria and I was diagnosed with a case of GCT, giant cell tumor of the bone, and the cause of discussing further procedures. I was introduced to this wonderful doctor called Dr. Yash Gulati, who looked at my case.
Mr. Onah, who came from Calabar, Nigeria. He had 6 surgeries done already on his right thigh for a tumor on the lower end of thigh bone. This was what is known as a giant cell tumor. 2 of the surgeries were done in South Africa in 2013. We had done his removal of the tumor and insertion of a prosthesis.
In the year 2020, during the COVID year, I had a misadventure again when the implant migrated and now touching on the bone. The implant had losing the gain because of stress, and sometimes the lifestyle and the food we take makes one to gain weight. This worked seriously against what I had already in the femur, and he had advised me to come back. We came back to Professor Yash Gulati in the month of September.
With the progress of time, he now developed loss of bone on the upper end, and there was no bone left to extend the prosthesis. So, to keep him mobile and to prevent loss of his leg, we changed whole of his thigh bone called femur, and we inserted a total femur prosthesis.
True to God, I was quite not sure of what to expect. But I want to say that my surgery in Apollo Hospital under the hands of Dr. Yash Gulati and his team remains one of my quickest, one of my best. Even though the surgery took all afternoon into the evening, I came out hale and hearty. My recovery rate has been faster. I have bounced back quicker than I thought. And the post-surgery physiotherapy has been wonderful. And of course, the nursing care has been wonderful.
And this was a formidable surgery which had high risk, but fortunately, everything went on very well, and he recovered very well from total femur replacement surgery, which included change of the whole of the knee joint, thigh bone, and part of the hip. He is now mobilizing with support and he is delighted, so are we. We wish him all the best.
And to the good of humanity and what God has used the Apollo hospital systems, especially in Draprastra Apollo Hospital, and the hands of the person of Professor Yash Gulati, the consultant surgeon orthopedics, who himself is a magical hand. Once more, my family and I, my wife and I, are pleased to be here again, and I can't wait to get back home.